With the hot summer we are having, one can't resist from dipping our feet in the cool water in the pool, or better yet, sunbathing by the poolside to get some tan on after long winter season. For whichever occasion you will participate in, there are a few precautions to keep your feet healthy and enjoy the summer weather while it lasts. Always protect your feet from sunburn. Yes, feet get sunburn as well. We so often forget to apply sunscreen on our feet, and from top to bottom to prevent sunburn and protect skin cancer that can occur on the foot. Always wear flip-flop in public pool area. Many occasion, patient asked me that how would they get fungal infections on their feet when they spend most of the time in the pool, and should chlorine water kill all the germ or nasty fungus? Yes, chlorinated water will not harbor the germ, but once you get out of water and walk barefoot on the poolside, your feet will be susceptible to attract those microbes. Swimming pool areas are fungus and bacteria breeding ground due to constant wetness and warmth. Always inspect your feet before put on the shoes. After being submerged in water for long periods of time, skin pruning on hands and feet is more like happened. The pruning skin surface would decrease sensation and soften the skin. This phenomenon would increase the chance of puncture wounds or cuts on the foot. By inspecting the soles before put the shoes back on would help detect the injury and care for it promptly. Always walk cautiously and slowly at poolside. Fall prevention is the key to maintain the safety around swimming pools. Slips and falls happen more frequent than we would think due to wet surface and distraction with activities. Also be aware of tripping on hazards like pool toys and floaty tubes. Maintaining a good sense of awareness around the poolside will help you enjoy the summer with your family. If you see any possible sign of questionable skin lesions, uncomfortable ache, or severe dry and itch skin patch on your feet, contact our office for an evaluation with one of our podiatric physicians. At Feet and Beyond of New Jersey, we commit to provide a complete podiatric care and get you back to enjoy your summer season.